Did you know that you are part of the water cycle? When we use water in our homes, we make it dirty. It goes down our drains and toilets, and that water we call wastewater. Do you want to learn where that wastewater goes after it leaves your home? Do you want to go? Let's go on a tour. After that dirty water leaves your home, it goes from a smaller pipe into another pipe, this big! And the water comes from that big pipe to here. This is a wastewater treatment plant. These giant tanks behind us, something different happens in each one of them. We know how much water comes to us by looking at this flow meter. Most days we clean about 8 million gallons of wastewater. Can you imagine how much 8 million gallons is? In this building, we remove things that should never have been flushed in the first place. Can you think of some things that you should never flush? Did you include these things? Paper towels.
Nope, don't flush it.
Dental floss.
No way.
Cotton swabs.
No, don't flush it.
Baby and cleaning wipes.
Don't even think about it.
Toys.
No way.
Kleenex.
Don't do it.
So remember the 3 P's. Pee, poo, and paper. Toilet paper, that is. Only flush the 3 P's. The next step is we have to remove small particles that are floating in the water, and we do that in this big tank. We do this in a really cool way by making the particles drop out of the water to the bottom. This represents the wastewater that's in the primary clarifier. This is kind of what it looks like when the particles fall inside the tank. Cool, huh? Now we're at the aeration basin. It's filled with little microorganisms. Do you know what microorganisms are? They're little creatures that are so small you need a microscope to see them. These microorganisms need the same 4 things that you need to live. Do you know what those are? We make sure that they have those 4 things: food, water, oxygen, and shelter. And guess what? The food that the microorganisms are eating is the stuff that goes down your drains and your toilet.
Ew.
I know, it sounds gross, but it's really cool. They're tiny living water cleaners that are cleaning the water for us. At some wastewater treatment plants like ours, the water gets extra clean because we have these straw-like filters that draw the water in through the side of each filter, through little holes and up through the center. What's neat is it lets the water through, but doesn't let the germs through. Over 6 million of these straw-like filters hang inside our tank. Check out this magnified filter that I made from a pool noodle. This represents water. Water will make it through the holes, but the germs won't. After water comes through the filters, it is clean enough to safely return to the river. It only takes 8 hours for us to turn your dirty wastewater into river water. We clean the water that we make dirty because all the water we have in the world is all the water we'll ever have in the world. We are part of the water cycle and we must take care of it.